Hello folks, in this video I'm gonna show you how you change the front brake pads in my GS 2018 Rally Edition. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna take it out the brake caliper with a 13mm socket. Like a little clip, like this one. 230. I'm gonna lose the screw to hold the pads. This clip right here, the lock ring. Take it out the bolt. And then now you can lose the two main bolts to the caliper, and then the caliper is just slide it like this. There you go. That's the outside pad. There's the inside pad. This is the original brake pads since I bought it new. I'm gonna use this brand, the brake pads. Pretty good brand. We need to retract the pistons. Of course, we want to clean it up, this thing, the pistons, before we retract it. We can use the brake cleaner, then we can hold it like this, and then like that, and then hold it the other side. Like I said, that way we have space for the new brake pads. Synthetic caliper grease is special for brakes, hardware. Put a little bit of grease. Lubricate a little bit, see the pin that holds the pads. Clean the little bracket. I'm gonna put the inside pad and then the outside pad in this position. You can see the little edge right here, and the top, in the bottom and the top. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the clip. This clip holds the pads all the way in. I'm gonna put the little clip. Like this. I'm gonna put the specs in the description about the Torx. Try to spread the brake pads all the way out. That way we can put it back the brake caliper on the same spots. There you go. Then we're gonna put the two bolts and the brake caliper. So I'm gonna push the brake, the front brake, and then we can see right here There you go. When you feel it like a little bit harder, that means the pads start touching the brake roller. Make sure to do that before you're driving the motorcycle. After you finish, you have to do that. That way you have make sure you have brakes. And finally, don't forget to put the little clip. There you go. Let's do the other side. Okay, this side is the left side. It's a similar. The only exception we have right here is the speed sensor. We need to take it out from here. I mean, just the cable. Try to take it out from the little bracket. That way we have more access to it. The little clip. Okay, hardware. Let's take it out. It's easy. Take it out the brake. Okay, we're taking out the brake pads. This one is on the top. Don't forget the clip. Put it right here, the clip, and then move it right here. And then before you moving your bike from your garage or whatever you're doing the job, make sure move your bike and press the front brake, and you have front brake. That way you have 100% security. Your brakes are okay. All right, thanks for watching and see you next time.